A very good morning, students. Let's start with the new topic today. Skip counting in twos. That means leaving two numbers. Skipping. Write down the date here yourselves. Okay. See, I have written here the countings starting from 0. So what you have to do, beta? You have to skip. That means, do you have marbles or tiles at your home or chairs? So you have to leave them one by one. You have to leave. How? Let's see. Start from 0. So if I will circle the number 0, then I have to skip 2. That means I have to skip 2 steps. 1, 2. I will skip these 2. Then which number I will circle? I will circle the number 2. Again I will skip 2. 1, 2. So I will circle 4. Then I will skip 1 and 2. So I will circle here number 6. Again I will skip 2. So I will circle 8. Then I will skip 1, 2. So I will circle the number 10. Similarly, I will skip. Then I will circle number 12. Similarly, I will skip 2 steps of one number. That is a 1 and the same thing. So I will circle 14. Then you will tell me. Correct. 16. Then 18. Again skipping 2 steps. I will get the number 20. Then 22. Then 24. I will skip 2 steps again. I will give 26. Again 2 steps. 28. What does this means? Skip. Skip means छोड़ देना. Skip counting. तो हमें we have to skip the counting. Counting, that means numbers we have to skip. And the last number what I will get by skipping 2 is 30. 30. I hope this is clear. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's start with some questions by skipping 2. Okay. So write down the heading in your notebooks. Skip counting in twos. Question number 1, 2. Then you have to skip in your mind now. आपको अपने mind में skip करना है. What comes after 2? 3. Skip that. Then 4 is written over here. Then what comes after 4? Quickly tell me. 5. Skip that. 6. Then what comes after 6? Quickly. 7. Good. Skip. Then 8. Again skip 9. Write down 10. Again skip 11. Write down 12. Again skip 12. Write down 12. Again skip 13. Then 14. Very good. Now next question. 9. See, 9 is written over here. After 9 what comes? 10. Shall I write 10? No, we have to skip 10. So 11. 13 is also written over here. Then what I can do? What can I do? Tell me. Skip 14. Then 15. I will write here. Then I will skip 16. Then I will write 17. Then I will skip 18. Then I will write 19. Then in mind what I will skip? Tell me. I will not show you. What we will skip? 20. So what shall I write here? 21. I hope it is clear. You have to give ample amount of practice to the same. See, this I am giving in your homework. You will do it yourself. 50. Then what I will skip? 51. 52 is written. 54 is written. Then what I will skip here? 55. So I will write down here 56. Then 57 I will leave. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. In this way you have to do these questions. Again, coming to the topic, table of 2. So, see, this is very important that you should know the correct pattern of writing and the correct way of pronunciation. Starting from this line, I will write ones tens, leaving one to, then again leaving ones tens. Beta, what? Then again we have to leave one line from ones block. This block, I will start writing. 2 ones are 2. What I am doing? I am not speaking 2 ones are 2. That is wrong. What we have to say? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. 2 elevens are 22. 2 twelves are 24. In the place value, earlier we have done the ones and tens. This is what I will be writing over here. Ones and tens. We have to speak this. Ones, tens. 2 ones are 2. 2 tens are 20. I hope the skip counting, how to skip, and the table and the pronunciation is clear to you. Practice that, and in the next class we'll do same with the skip counting of 3. Bye bye.